This is my new truck, Chevy 1500 Silverado. Got a toolbox on the back, 16-inch tires. It's more of a work truck than anything back. Let's see what's on the inside. It's got power locks and windows. The back doors come open like that. I got a dog harness and dog seat cover. There's my dog. And I got camo on the front. It's got a CD player and a radio and all that good sort of crap. Jeez. So yeah, that's what my truck looks like. I'll make a video of starting it up. I don't want to start it right now, but so yeah, this is what my truck looks like.